Time to make a new sling for my rifle, because this one is not real leather. I bought it as a belt and I thought it was real leather, but it wasn't real leather. So I've got a real leather belt. So I've got a real leather belt, and I'll make it. Well, it says real leather. I'll make that go in here. It's black too, so that's nice. So unfortunately I don't have any copper, which is that size, which I used last time. But I do have this larger one and this tiny one. So I think I'll do a couple of tests, see what I feel like doing. Actually, know how strong these bits are. Not very. Because these stitches are pretty weak and it's not long enough to cut them out, I think I'll just make this as a quick temporary sling just for the weekend, then find a better belt in the future. Just unfortunate about this seam here. Be a weak spot, but that's alright. I'll just buy a better belt when I can. Because it's so short, I'll just do the same on the other end. Just bend it over the very end. Well, it's a bit tight, but it'll do for the weekend. How feel? Yeah. So I'm not sure how long it'll last with those seams, because it's quite a weak point in it. That's right. Just needs to last this weekend.